Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, open your TikTok app, and as you can see I already have mine open. So first thing you need to do is go here into your inbox, tap on your inbox at the bottom, and from here you would see suggested accounts and some of your messages right here. Conversations, some past conversations. If you have one, it would appear right here. So if not, if you're just trying to message a friend and you can find it right here in the inbox, then you can just search here for their TikTok account or username here on TikTok, and you can search here. You want to input it right here. And once you have found it, then you can just go click on their profile. So in my case, it will be this person right here. So I'll want to click on that and you would be prompted into the conversation. And from here, you can already send a message right here. And as you can see, once it says sent right here, then that means that the person can receive this message and they could automatically see it. They would be notified that we sent them a message. And that is because we are friends here on TikTok. So this person follows me and I also follow this person, which makes us friends here on TikTok. And in another example is for this person right here. For example, Mr. Beast. This person is not following me, but I'll follow Mr. Beast. So if I go and send hi or send a message right here, as you can see, it says not sent because messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So this might be the case for you, or it might also be different from other accounts because there is a setting that would permit other people, even if they're not friends, to message this account. So it will be slightly different. So it depends on the person's account or his settings on which he or she chose to receive messages from other people, even if they are not friends. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you find this helpful.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.